Remember your first love? That feeling of butterflies in your stomach? It felt like magic, then it ended. You thought your world was over. Believe me, I understand. We've all been there. Breakups are tough. They hurt. You might feel sad, angry, or even lost. These feelings are okay. It's okay to not be okay, but here's the thing. You will get through this. Time heals all wounds, and as you heal, you'll learn a lot about yourself. Breakups are a normal part of life. Everyone experiences them at some point. They are like growing pains, helping us learn and mature. Each relationship, even the ones that end, teaches us something. We learn about ourselves, we learn what we want in a partner, and we learn what we don't want. Don't be afraid of breakups. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Each experience, good or bad, shapes us into who we are meant to be. Sometimes a breakup is like a detour. It takes us